Subscribe Smart Tech and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get more updates first. Hello viewers, as always, I am present in front of you with another helpful video. Today I will say about a software that name is windscribe. This software is available for computer operators like Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile devices like Android, iOS. Also is available for browser extensions like Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and much more. Okay, let's get started. What is windscribe? Windscribe is a set of tools that work together to block, ad trackers, and web beacons. Restore access to blocked content and help you safeguard your privacy online. windscribe encrypts your browsing activity, blocks ads, and unblocks entertainment content. It provides you full access to those blocked websites you want to visit. With windscribe, you can virtually travel with your anonymous IP addresses. For example, Hong Kong to the US, without leaving your house. What does windscribe do for you? Stop tracking and browse privately. Unblock geo-restricted content. Take your browsing history to your grave. Stop leaking personal information, and more. windscribe unique features. windscribe has a lot of features like large network, R.O.B.E.R.T, no identifying logs, static IP, ad block, cruise control, and much more features it has. There are two components available in that software: desktop VPN applications and browser extensions. You can use them on their own, but for much greater protection, you should use both. Okay, what does the desktop application do for you? The desktop application is a VPN client. It creates an encrypted tunnel from your computer to their servers, and all your activity is sent through the tunnel. This has two advantages. Number one, your internet service provider IP address is masked. So any website you visit or any application you use like Skype, email providers, BitTorrent, peers, each will see their IP address, which is shared by thousands of people. So your activity is mixed with other users. Number 2, your internet service provider cannot see what you do online. This is much more important than you think. Okay, to download it, you have to go their website and click on download button. It will take you into download page. Then you will see two options there. One option is the Chrome icon and another option is the Windows icon. I am currently using Chrome browser and Windows operating system, so I see this options available here. It depends on you which browser and operating system you are using. Okay, first of all, I am going to download the desktop version. I have already downloaded it. You just download it from this website. It's very tiny software. After installation, it will ask for open account or sign up. You just simply sign up here. After the installations, you will get 10 GB from them for use it after verification your email. Just click on the button to start the program. They will give you an IP address. Also, you can choose one country, whatever you want. It's very simple to use. Again, go to their website and click Chrome icon. It will take you Chrome Web Store. Then simply download it. After the download, it will appear into your browser head on the right side, top right side. Now click on it, and then it will ask for sign up. Simply sign up and use it. It's easy to use like the desktop app. What does the browser extensions do for you? The browser extensions provides a light VPN client, which does the same thing as the desktop one, but only in your browser. Any other applications you may be using on your computer will utilize your ISP provided IP address. Additionally, it blocks thousands of ad beacons and trackers that could follow you across the websites you visit and compromise your privacy even if you are already using a VPN. It also blocks viral social widgets such as Facebook like buttons, Twitter budgets, each, which are embedded into millions of websites and report all your activity to their respective companies. It also rotates your user agents, which further scrambles your online activities in the eyes of whoever is watching. I recommend you should use both products because, contrary to popular belief, a VPN client alone will not keep you anonymous or significantly help your privacy online unless you take extreme measures. At which point using the internet becomes a burden. Anonymous IP address alone provides some protection. However, marketers, criminals, and governments have stepped up their game, which allows them to track you even if you already use a VPN. In order to combat this, browser-level protection is also necessary to improve your chances of staying anonymous. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it with others because sharing is caring.